Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare
Jai Radha Vallabha Shri Radhe Jai Radha Vallabha Shri Radhe Jai Radha Vallabha Shri Radhe Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Baladeva Jaya Subhadra Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Baladeva Jaya Subhadra Jaya Gauranitai 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 Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Shri Nam Sankirtan ki Jai.
So first of all, it is very heartening to see that our Bhakti Vriksha program members, where is Kirti Mataji? Yes. She is not coming today?
She's on her way.
She is on her way. Haan, wahi pucha. Okay. So it's very heartening to see that some of us have taken leadership in terms of being the front end for advertising the Ram Navami program, and they are from our Bhakti Vriksha. I feel very proud of that fact. Okay, Altona Bhakti Vriksha ki Jai. No, Altona Meadows Bhakti Vriksha ki Jai. Okay, Altona में North भी है ना? नहीं, उनकी भी जय, but अपनी भी जय. Okay, so this is very heartening to see. Okay, so please continue taking leadership role. Okay. Guru Prabhu, okay, whose parents are here. Can you raise your hand? Prabhuji, everyone knows Guru Prabhu's parents? Okay, if you don't know, you can bend and see. ऐसा crawl करके देखिए. Okay, here there. Okay, this is Guru Prabhu's father and that is Guru Prabhu's mother. Mataji इंगे वांगोला मनो. எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் who you all are. Okay, आंगे கூட வரலாம். Okay, thank you Prabhuji. So Guru Prabhu's parents, okay, everyone knows Guru Prabhu? Yes. Okay, Guru Prabhu is very instrumental in the success of the Vindham Vale Center. Okay, he works tirelessly like a machine over there. Okay, so I want to share with all of you, I'm going to just give you a heads up information that Guru Prabhu will be leading the Western Altona, what is that called? Vindham Vale Center. Okay, he will be taking, he is already a leader. Okay, it's just that formally he will be leading this also. Okay, some formal communication will come soon on that. Okay, but he will be leading that center. He is a very kind person. Okay, I have known Guru Prabhu since last 17-18 years since I have come to Melbourne. Okay, he is very close to me. I love him a lot. I know that he is a very trustworthy person. In Bhakti, it's very important to work with people who you trust. Okay, trust नहीं जाना चाहिए कभी भी, ठीक है? And who you are comfortable with, who you know will always deal with you in a kind manner without judging you. ठीक है? ऐसे लोगों के साथ हमें obviously we become, who doesn't become comfortable around with such people? So I humbly request all of you, especially how many of you live in the western suburbs? Almost all of you. Correct? Nobody is traveling from that suburb, right? So all of you to wholeheartedly support this person and make our Vindhamvel center the best, right? Vindhamvel center, okay, because I am in the board, okay, I am in the temple board, therefore I can share. Okay, I think he needs attention, poor thing. Mataji, sorry. Yes. So sorry. I think he needs attention. थोड़ा उसको attention देके लेके आना. Okay, give him whatever he wants so that he is happy with it. तो बेचारा वो no. हाँ. So Vindhamvel, and I don't want to lose your attention also. मैं क्या करूँ अभी? Difficult project you are giving. Okay. So you will be able to pay attention to what I am saying?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Our Vindhamvel center is a very strategic initiative of the temple. Archana Mataji, Vindhamvel center is a very strategic initiative of our temple. Okay. Now, why is this Vindhamvel center there? Okay, I'll give you a context. Okay, as to what we discussed in the board meetings, right? Our Dank Street temple, अपना जो main मंदिर है, which is in Dank Street, what is happening there? No guesses. What's happening there? It's overcrowded. If you do any function over there, you are finished. You will be half the time you will be in the queue for darshan. Remaining half you will be in the queue for prashadam. And then you will sit and 1 minute का darshan मिलेगा. And somebody volunteer will tell, Mataji. Correct? हो गया. दर्शन करो बाहर आ जाओ. Correct? And then otherwise you will have to squeeze yourself in such a way that at least you will get dirty stares from some people. Correct? So therefore, we discussed this matter. So the options are to open another temple, not one, maybe more. So temple is working through the finances for that. Okay, obviously to open a temple requires what? Money, quite a lot of money, right? Now, even if money comes, that's not the problem. Okay, because many people will say, temple banao na yaar, why you are not making temple? Why you are not making temple? People can just keep talking like that. Just like I can shout here and shout my lungs about the Narendra Modi government, right? When you work in the government, you will know what kind of people are there, who you have to handle, correct? So therefore, yes, it is very important to have another temple. And any idea in which side the temple is most required? Thank you very much. In the western suburbs. Why? Because there is a huge concentration of Indian population here, okay? Before we started this Bhakti Vriksha program also, we had a strategic meeting based on which this also started. Because I myself am in the board and then I am in multiple boards. So I am on the temple board plus I am also on the Bhakti Vriksha board, which I head actually. And then I am also in the education board. Okay, these three boards I am across. I know what's going on in these things. Therefore, our Bhakti Vriksha people, I can directly help you, okay, with anything associated with these things, okay. Legally. I know, कुछ वो smile मैं जानता हूँ. Okay, legitimately we will help you. Okay, now why I am saying this is because when we did a heat map, you all know what's a heat map? Yes. A heat map is कहाँ गर्मी है. So when we did a heat map on the whole geography, we did some research, and Ojasvi Prabhu, I don't know how many of you know him. He's a closest friend of mine. So amongst the closest friends, I would say. So he did a beautiful, I told him you get data for me. So he got the western population, the western diaspora, सब कुछ निकाला, the dissect वैसा करके information. And then we found out that western suburbs में अगर शुरू करना है, even if we start 100 Bhakti Vrikshas, we will still have people. Okay, इतना potential है western suburb में, which each Bhakti Vriksha having 50 people. Correct? So because that many people are there, and these people who don't come for our programs, they are very good people. Okay, but what happens? They have no idea of what is the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. Everyone just thinks that हाँ मैं तो मंदिर जाती हूँ, मैं तो हफ्ते में हम लोग सब जाते हैं, हम लोग पूरा परिवार दर्शन करके हम लोग आते हैं, हम लोग कभी कभी लंगर ना व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड, लंगर में सेवा करते हैं, पंगत में सेवा करते हैं. दैट इज ऑल गुड, बट डू यू नो द गोल ऑफ लाइफ? डू यू नो द फिलॉसफी? ओके, आर यू लिविंग अ लाइफ where you are following the 4 regulative principles? Are you chanting the holy names of the Lord? So Prabhupada has given us a practical template, not just ऐसा मन के अंदर भगवान, बस भगवान मन के अंदर है, बस हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं उनके बारे में, कभी कभी आंख में आंसू आ जाते हैं. No, we don't do all the dialogue of Hindi movies, right? For us, भक्ति है तो सर्विस करो, do something for भगवान. It's very practical. Simply, I'm giving you all ladies one simple example. If you are not well and husband says I love you very much and he is sleeping nicely and watching IPL, चलेगा क्या आपको? नहीं, मैं तुझे बहुत मानता हूँ, दिल में है, मेरी पत्नी के बारे में मैंने किसी और औरत के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं आज तक, बस मेरी पत्नी तू ही रे. यू विल टेल ये सब ठीक है, जरा जाके बर्तन करोगे अभी. और फिर सी हाँ बर्तन बहुत ज्यादा है लगता है.
मैगी बना दे तो भी.
मैगी बना के खिलाओ आपको. हाँ, एंड व्हाट इफ द हस्बैंड खिलाओज यू लाइक दिस, प्रिय मैं आपके लिए मैगी बनाया वेजिटेबल के साथ. सिर्फ मूवी में होता है, रियल में नहीं होता है. होगा, एल्टोन और मेडोस का हर एक हस्बैंड ऐसा बनेगा, नहीं तो मुझे आके रिपोर्ट करो.
मैगी खिलानी है ना बस.
ओके, सो नाउ
पे आते एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट मत करो.
क्यों नहीं करो?
हो गया.
I will tell you, घाटे का सौदा मैं करता ही नहीं है. We will tell expectations of them also. Then you will like it. बोले हाँ ये बराबर है. जरा मीठा बात करो, देखो मैं जान भी दूंगा. मैं बराबर है. खाली प्रेम से बात करना, खाली चिल्लाओ मत. करेक्ट. देखो कैसा बैठे, देखो. See how they are sitting like a bunch of wounded tigers. Sorry, wounded cats. Okay. So therefore, the point is now substitute that with Krishna. Substitute the wife, husband example with Krishna. That is the point I'm trying to drive. So if someone loves someone, that love is shown in terms of what? In terms of service to that person. So all our Altona Meadows program is meant to engage all of us in practical service. So soon, I was talking to our temple president the other day. Okay, just we had a meeting on, when was the meeting? Board meeting? Saturday. Saturday. Saturday was our latest executive meeting. So I had a chance to meet him and Achudirpa Mataji. And you know what Anirudh Prabhu said? He said, I'm amazed. I'm amazed at the rate at which Bhakti Vrikshas have grown in Melbourne. When COVID stopped, then Anirudh Prabhu asked me, Jagannath Ram, come here. How many Bhakti Vrikshas we have? I said, मालूम नहीं. COVID के बाद सब बंद हो गया 2 साल में. And there were only 2 to 3 programs running at that time. And many were doing remote, right? And remote में क्या मजा आएगा Bhakti Vriksha में, right? So at that time, what happened was, our Zarna Mataji ne, Janva Premavati Mataji. I'm going to get used to that name now. Janva Premavati Mataji is spiritual master. His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, who is the architect of the Bhakti Vriksha program, who is the visionary of this program in ISKCON. He is the visionary, our spiritual master, right? He sent a message to us through one of his disciples asking a question. I heard Melbourne Bhakti Vriksha बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. Okay, he knows about it because he keeps track, okay, of Bhakti Vriksha, because that is his pet project. And that is his instruction to all his disciples. Whoever becomes his disciple has to do a Bhakti Vriksha program. That's what his disciples do. So he asked that how many Bhakti Vrikshas are running in Melbourne? So that lady came and asked me after COVID. तो बोलते हैं मैं कौन सा मुंह लेके उनको बोलूं. ऐसे 2 चल रहा है, लेकिन महाराज को मत बताना, शर्म आ रही है. Right? I told Anirudh Prabhu that Prabhu ji, क्या करना चाहिए? Anirudh Prabhu said, obviously it's a critical situation, do something about it. Okay. Obviously 2 is not, doesn't reflect our real, it doesn't reflect reality, it reflects a COVID impact. What do we call that as? No, I don't know, there is a correct English word. What is the English word? Okay, forget about it. So it's an impact of COVID, right? So therefore we had to do something about it. So therefore he formed what is called as the Bhakti Vriksha Committee. The Bhakti Vriksha Committee has got, with me I have 4 people working with me in that. One is Gopa Varandesh Prabhu. Do you know? Everyone knows him? Yes. temple brahmachari, right? Koparnish Prabhu is with me in that committee. Ojasvi Prabhu is in that committee. There is one more person, Karuna Avatar Prabhu, who I will introduce you. I will bring him to this program once. He is there. Huh? Karuna Avatar Prabhu came here once? Okay, fair enough. Okay. Yes, I remember when I was not there in December. Yes. He assists me in that committee. And there is Yamuna Sundari Mataji, who is right now on a sabbatical from the committee. Okay. She brings the woman balance in the committee. We wanted gender representation also. In fact, any more women want to be part of the committee in future, I would like to have some of you in that committee. But you have to come to the platform of consistency. Okay, then we will see. We want more and more people to take leadership in the temple activities. And who are the leaders? Idhar se aayega, bahar se we will not contract. Correct? All of us have to become leaders, right? And everyone has potential. So, then this committee was formed and Anirudh Prabhu said that now get going, we can't have this situation. Then that's when we did the heat map. Abhi kaisa badhana hai? Then what happens? We did a flurry of trainings of Bhakti Vriksha leaders. So inko train kiya, unko train kiya, so many people got trained, in that. Then and even just before COVID also, we trained some people. But during that time, so many people got trained and then we told them go ahead and start programs and different people have started in different suburbs. And then the Bhakti Vriksha started flourishing. Now we have 35 to 38 programs running. Okay. So this board meeting, Anirudh Prabhu specifically mentioned, he said, if in one program, what is your average size? He said, I said, at least conservatively number dena padega na. Ye to kela ho sakta hai baad mein. So I said 50. So he multiplied 50 by 30. How much is that?
1500.
Very good. I thought you will use calculator. Okay. 1500 people, Anirudh Prabhu said. He said, I am seeing 1500 people. That's exactly what he said. He said, I am seeing at least 1500 people are being given Krishna consciousness in a very systematic manner at the same time on Friday. And I thought that was a nice way of putting it, no? He said, I'm excited, he said, about this whole proposition. Now, when he is excited, what do we say? जब तवा गरम है तभी क्या डालना चाहिए अंदर? भजिया. ठीक है? So when he is in such a good frame of mind, it's important to invite him to our program. Right? So I'm going to start discussions with him to invite him to the program. Right? Him and Achintya Mataji. They must know all of you. Now, how many of you want to have a good relationship with the temple president? You have to raise your hand. नहीं तो accept ही नहीं होगा है ना मैं. Everyone. Who doesn't want to, right? Now, how to maintain good relationship with the temple president? Just by coming and taking selfie with him? No, it is not going to happen like that. How do you think? What do you think? Think about your friends. Who is your saheli or your best friend? Changu Mangu. कौन है वो? सोचो उसके बारे में. Close your eyes and think. Who is my best friend? Bestest. Close your eyes and think. What is your relationship with that person? How have you built your relationship with that person? Based on what? Based on what?
Spending time, trust.
Based on being with them at their time of need. Not on enjoying also together and also serving each other. Correct? Service kiya na? They must have done something for you, no? इसीलिए तो best friend है ना? When you were sick, they came, correct, with tablets, they gave with prasadam. Something they must have done. Correct? Similarly, if we have to win the heart of Anirudh Prabhu and Achintya Mataji, the temple and the first lady, then how should we win their hearts? By serving their projects. Vindham Vale is one of Anirudh Prabhu's key projects. Does it make sense? It's one of his key projects. Therefore, if Anirudh Prabhu comes to know few names, that this Mataji, this Prabhuji, they are all serving. And Guru Prabhu is such a person. Guru Prabhu, I trust him. Why I love Guru Prabhu is he never takes credit for himself. He will make sure that he always gives the names of those people who work. That's why he's a very good leader. A trustworthy leader is who? नहीं तो सबको काम पे लगे खुद क्रेडिट खा के जाएगा ना? No, he's not that kind of person. So that is why I'm very happy that he has been given this leadership role there, right? You have a leader who you can trust. So please support him wholeheartedly. He is a very sincere missionary. He has Srila Prabhupada in his heart. He has no other agenda other than service, and service, right? So please support him. My humble request. right? Now, if you support him, what is the advantage? That you will support Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement. You will support Prabhupada's movement. You will support in growing the Vindham Vale Center. What happens? What is the disadvantage of growing the Vindham Vale Center? Tell me. What is the disadvantage of growing the Vindham Vale Center? एक तो होगा.
Too much traffic.
Very good. Too much traffic. You will not find parking space. Then what will happen? हाँ? उधर भी बैठने को जगह. That's the problem we want to create. And then what will happen?
One more temple.
Correct. Then what will happen? By the time, what will happen? The temple is working on it. Anirudh Prabhu is serious about it. He knows, he acknowledges this problem. He is working on it. Okay. We have to just get many things together. Temple is not just about raising fundraising and then building a temple. When you start a temple, what do you think is required in the temple? Deities. When deities come, what do you think? Pujaris are required. कौन करने वाला है? Who out of us, all of us Monday morning have to go to Docklands? कोई करेगा? How many of us are dedicating our lives to saying that no, I will ensure that 3 times आरती होता है deities को? नहीं होगा ना? It's a practical reality. So please understand, building a temple is not about just buying land and putting cement together and everything. It requires a battery of nishtha devotees running it. Nishtha. जान जाए लेकिन आरती मॉर्निंग में होगा. Because ISKCON, like Swaminarayan temple, ISKCON also follows high standards of deity worship. You will not find our deity immersed in oil and उधर वो बैट का स्मेल आ रहा है जैसा होता है ना कभी कभी when you go to a temple. बोलते हैं बेचारा deity, एक पुराना वाला लिंबू लटका होगा कहीं से तो और एक पुराना गार्लैंड होगा, करेक्ट, विथ ऑल ऑयल एंड फ्लावर्स ऑल मिक्स्ड एंड पूरा ऐसा उधर ऐसा लगेगा तो काला काला निकलेगा ऐसा. नो, वी हैव वेरी हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ deity worship. Have you ever find one speck of kachara in our temple? Never. How does it happen? Is because a set of dedicated pujaris are cleaning. They are doing aarti perfectly. Perfect. You see the morning Guru Puja when you come. Before the Guru Puja, how beautifully the tray is arranged. Oh, flower garland, perfect. Matajis are making. So everything is done pakka. That is Prabhupada's standard, right? This is how we worship Krishna. So Achindyarupa Mataji, who is our first lady of the temple, she has established very high standards of deity worship and she is extremely particular about it. Okay? If we are lax in our service, you will get on the wrong end of the stick with her. Correct? Before you do deity service, think 10 times. We have to really... I'm not saying we should not... Mistakes is something she will pardon, but she will not pardon a casual attitude and she should not also. Because who are we serving? Suppose you are Narendra Modi secretary and security wala. Will you look here and there? खूब मार के चला जाएगा वो. Correct? You can't take your eyes off the most important person in the country and probably one of the most important person in the world. Can you imagine what is the care that you have to do when you're serving such a great personality, important person? Now who are we talking about serving? Krishna. Can you imagine कितना और care लेना पड़ेगा? He is the Narendra Modi of all Narendra Modis. He is the one from whom Narendra Modi has come. Correct? And you are Bill Clinton, whoever, I don't know, क्या नाम है यार वो, अमेरिका वाला कौन है? जो बाइडन, ट्रम्प, सब उधर से आया है सब लोग, right? So just imagine, he is a supreme lord and when he comes, how he should be served? Pakka. Therefore, Achindyarupa Mataji has set very high standards of service. Okay? They want to continue those high standards in the western suburbs, for which we needed people who like excellence. Who is required? All of you. How many of you like excellence in services? कुछ करेगा तो बराबर से करना चाहिए. How many of you are like that? Most of us. Correct, no? Right? So this will give you an opportunity to do that. So please, going forward, we would like to hear, when we ask here, we will go around. Which service have you taken up for the Vindham Vale Center? We would like at least every person to be part of some team there. Can I assume that? Now, it does not mean Vindham Vale service में service करना. It doesn't mean you have to commit yourself to going there at a particular time every time unless your service demands that. If you do that, that's best. That is the best way. Okay. Like Prabhuji, I will ensure that I go every week and stand there and I volunteer. You can do the same even in our Dank Street temple, but you will have to commit somewhere. या तो western suburbs में या तो Dank Street temple में. You decide where, right? Right now you all are not, दीक्षा नहीं हुआ है आप लोगों का. So you can do many services, but you can't do some services. But when you get initiated, you can do those services also, right? So right now, our job is to, our duty, our love for Krishna and Prabhupada will be seen in our taking up some kind of practical services and committing to that service. Time management means what? Committing to a service. Office is the best thing that teaches us time management. कुछ भी हो जाए वो बुलडॉग का चेहरा नहीं देखने का है, गुस्सा वाला बॉस का, करेक्ट? तो कुछ भी मेरे को फ्लू भी हो गया तो मैं उठ के जाऊंगी, 8 बजे बिल्कुल रहूंगी ऑफिस में, राइट? और रहूंगा, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज हाउ, दैट इज द कमिटमेंट वी नीड व्हेन वी टेक अ सर्विस ऑन टू द temple also, right? So please go ahead and support Guru Prabhu. Have a chat with him. I want each one of our program. It is my humble request. Please talk to him. Tell him that I'm making myself available. Please guide us on how we can support you, and he will take care of the rest. Okay? If you have any specific interest, you tell him, Prabhu ji, I'm good at cooking. Prabhu ji, मैं garland बनाने में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can do that service. Prabhu ji, मुझे announcement करने में I am very good. Welcome everyone to the Sunday Feast program. Somebody likes that, na? We need those people also, right? Prabhu ji, I am very good in giving Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam classes. ठीक है, वो करो service. Okay? Prabhu ji, Prabhu ji, I just want to clean. वो करो. I'll pick up the garbage. वो कीजिए. I'll clean the toilets. Clean that. Prabhu ji, I'll arrange the chairs after the program, right? So many. I'll serve prasadam during the program. I'll help transport the prasadam. I'll cook for the program. Umpteen services are there. Okay, I'll ensure crowd management. Not crowd, we don't call it as crowd. We'll say that I'll ensure order over there. I'll ensure that devotees are coming in orderly and leaving orderly so that everyone has a place to sit. So there are so many such services. Prabhuji, I'll ensure that at the time the program is going on, I'll manage the children. Thankless service. That's the most thankless service. Most difficult service is what? Managing children. Right? Not easy. Right? Therefore, these are some things we'll do. Okay, everyone is fired up for this? Everyone is geared up, brother? Okay? So please talk to Guru. I'll probably try and Guru Prabhu invite பண்ணலாம் அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராமுக்கு. Okay? கொஞ்ச நேரம் வர முடிஞ்சது, ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் வந்துட்டு போறோம்னா போறோம். 10 minutes we will bring him here. Even I don't know, he may be busy, but I'll try to have him through the program and then tell us more about the Wyndham Center and its things. But please, our Bhakti Vriksha members should be number 1 in supporting Wyndham Center, and tomorrow when the temple comes, all of you will be in the forefront. You all will run that temple. Everyone in our program should think like that, like an entrepreneur, that the temple mera hai, Krishna is mine and I will serve him. So we want to create a battery of people, and I will tell you, you will find your life's purpose there. आपको fulfillment मिलेगा अंदर से. You would have never got that fulfillment even working 100 years in Docklands office, in ANZ or what is that? Westpac Bank. नहीं मिलेगा ऐसा satisfaction, right? Okay. Number 1. Number 2, it's important all of us also now. I want to start little bit traces of what is called as the Vaishnava etiquette manual, right? In this in a book called as Nectar of Devotion, one of the acharyas called as Rupa Goswami, he says that in bhakti कल्चर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. भक्ति में क्या है? कल्चर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाउ practical. These are all real situations. I will never come and tell you something from the textbook. I will tell you real situations which I have seen in my 25-30 years of Krishna consciousness. Real situations. एक simple example देता हूँ. When you go to India, for example, and you see 2-3 elderly people in your family, will you go and touch their feet or no?
Yes.
Will you say they are not chanting 16 rounds, therefore I will not touch their feet? Will anyone talk like this nonsense language? Correct, no? So bhakti is not being fanatic. Bhakti means what? That we are perfect ladies and gentlemen. Bhakti means giving all respect to others. We don't judge anyone just because they are not chanting 16 rounds, or they are not chanting, or they may be having they may be eating mawa. Correct? Maybe some elderly person has a habit of smoking also. But because they are elderly, they deserve to be respected. Okay. Yes, we may not take instructions from them about how to pursue spiritual life because they are ignorant of it, right? But when we respect them, chances are very high, respect and serve them. Then what happens? Chances are very high that they will develop affection towards us such that they will say, I'm throwing my cigarette, I want to be like you. You can turn that around, that situation. So किसी भी जीतने के लिए, to win somebody, what is the formula? There is a 4-letter word. Or love. And love is respect, yes, and service. किसी को भी जीतने के लिए उनका सेवा करना पड़ता है. किसी का भी दिल. If you want to endear yourself to someone, ask that person, what do you want, and serve them in that way, right? Serving. Again, simple. Suppose queue में है हम लोग, okay, and you are serving prasadam, okay. Someone says, प्रभु जी सिर्फ थोड़ा देना मुझे, and then you say, नहीं लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको. Are you thinking about your need or my need now? If you want to serve me, truly serve me according to what? What I want, not according to what you want. That means you are serving yourself now, not me, right? So in terms of even giving prasadam, the consciousness should always be what? Serving other. What does the other person want? What does the other, not what I want. So this is the basis of performing any service. So when we serve the Vindham Vale program also, whatever service we take, you have to take guidance from whoever is the senior devotee mentor and ask that person, how can I serve you? What are the standards? Please teach me, educate me. I'm telling you, whoever has taken this approach in their early stages of Krishna consciousness, they have become very, very senior devotees who can influence the congregation. Whoever has taken this approach. But whoever has tried to shortcut this process, saying that I'm going to try and impose my leadership on everyone by yelling at everyone all the time, and I will prove my superiority over everyone. I will dominate you and I will crush you because I am the leader. Anyone who has done that has fallen flat. That person neither is able to chant properly, and eventually that person becomes frustrated, right? That is not the way in which we assume leadership positions. Leadership position is what? Leadership, others should give us the position. We cannot usurp the position. You cannot say, समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं आपका मैनेजर हूँ. No. In office do we do that? How do we win the life? How do we win our employees? By being with them, facilitating them to excel in whatever they have to do. Incidentally, and only aligning them to the KPIs of the organization. But we don't dominate them and force them, no? And deal as if they are school students. No. Right? So, anyone who has taken these positions, these people have taken to great heights. So initially you start with some menial service. Then what do? You train another person to do that service and you take another service. Then you become expert there. Then you take that, train someone else, take. In office, that's what we do. First I have started as a Java programmer. Then I trained, Miss Priya Dutt. No, I just threw a name now. Okay. To do that job. Then Miss Priya started doing. Then I became team leader. Then what happened? I mentored my juniors so that the next level is ready. Then I became a team manager. Then I became a head of the department. Then I became a GM. That's how people grow in the organization, by mentoring others. So that's the way to grow in Krishna Bhakti also. Okay? Not just short circuiting the process and trying to go for roles. मुझे ये रोल देगा तो ही मैं काम करेगा. बोलो मैं ही जनरल मैनेजर हूँ. हाँ सर आप भी जनरल मैनेजर हो. हाँ ठीक है मैं अभी आता हूँ काम करने को. No, not like that. Okay? We know this, we know all this, but sometimes what happens, because we are conditioned souls, what happens? The desire for respect, recognition, this supersedes our desire to work for the mission, right? This supersedes our desire. So therefore, we are very fortunate to have Guru Prabhu in the leadership role. He is a very humble devotee, he is a very simple devotee, he will talk straight, okay? He will not talk one thing in front of you and behind you, okay? So you have a very trustworthy person. I am very happy. I was very happy that now he is going to take up this very good role. He has always been doing it, except that he is now going to officially take it up. So please support him. Who is Vindham Center? Who will you support? Guru Prabhu. Okay, and with Guru Prabhu there is a very beautiful team also. Okay, who will be like the leads. Okay, so tie yourself with one of these leads. Okay, and then take up whatever service that you want. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो करना. Don't try to do services which you do not like, because then you will get into Gujarati mein what we call it as Vanda. Okay, don't get into Vanda. Correct or no? Correct. Do things which you like. Till the time that our bhakti is so mature that it doesn't matter what service is given to me, I am only attached to serving. I am not attached to a service. Does that make sense? Right? Just like our office. Who becomes CEO of office? Who has done at least one stint in China. Correct? Usually होता ना ऐसा, right? In NAB also, who becomes CEO? Usually I have seen. The next CEO is the person who went to New Zealand, served there and came back. Right? You have to go outside of your comfort zone, do something and then come back. Like that. Usually it's that. I have one friend. This guy went on to hold a very big position in ICICI Bank. Okay? He was from IIM Ahmedabad 95 batch. Right? So this guy, you can Google him. His name is Niranjan Limaye. So this guy was, we are all very good friends. So this guy used to, he went to IIM Ahmedabad, and from there he was picked up in ICICI. You know where they sent him? Posting. Africa में भेजा उसको. Africa में center. He said यहाँ पे पहला आदमी जान बचाइए मेरी. First he has to protect his life. And the money. पहला उसको उड़ा देंगे कोई. Right? But then he had to go through that. I had another friend of mine who used to sit in Coca-Cola trucks. Next, cleaner बैठता ना उधर. Because his first job, which they gave him Coke, was to go and ensure that bottles are not snatched by competition. Because that was a big problem in the business at that time. Right? Supply chain of bottles. So he was doing that job. Of course, now he went on to his very, very senior director there. Right? But that's how in Bhakti also we grow. Take some service, become expert in this, develop, mentor, move up. All of us have to move up. Everyone is there in the game now. All of us will have good roles. At this level, at that level, everywhere we need leaders. You know what? Right now, we are short of leaders. We are short of genuine leaders. We have enough of people who want positions. But we are genuinely short of leaders who don't want position, but who will be natural leaders under who people will serve. उसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है अभी. Right? We actually also want frontline preachers. You know why our Bhakti Vriksha movement is stuck at 30, 35? Why? Though we have another potential for another 100. What stops?
Preachers.
Exactly. Lecture दीजिए ना. मेरे से नहीं होगा यार. That's how we all start. How people say? मेरे को लेक्चर देने को मत बोलना. क्योंकि क्या हो गया? अगर मैं मुंह खोलूंगा तो क्या होगा? People will come to know मुझे क्या नहीं आता है. Correct, no? So everyone has this fear of protecting their image and saying that let me continue being, let them think I am intelligent. Because once ignorance is known when one opens one's mouth. But we have to go through this fire. We all have to go through this fire. Then only we will become. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा that you will speak like William Shakespeare and then somebody will come and say तथास्तु. ब्रह्मा जी will come and say आप भक्ति वृक्ष लीडर बनिए. आप शेक्सपियर के जैसा बोलते हो. No, ऐसा दिन नहीं आने वाला है. We will be imperfect only even when we start swimming. Correct or no? How many of you know swimming? फिर पहला टाइम से एकदम माइकल थॉर्प ना कौन है वो इयन थॉर्प उसके जैसा मारा क्या स्ट्रोक. फिर फर्स्ट टाइम अंदर डूब के निकला बाहर. I remember once my wife was trying to teach me swimming. She gave up finally. Okay. I tried to teach her driving. I gave up. She tried to teach me swimming. She gave up. एक बार मेरे को लिटरली स्विमिंग पूल से बाहर लेके आई वो. एंड पीपल आर थिंकिंग ये क्या है भाई. नॉर्मली मूवीज में तो हीरोइन को लेके आता है. इधर ये पतिदेव को बाहर लेके आ रही है. दिस वाज इन यूएस. ओके, शी ब्रॉट मी आउट ऑफ अ स्विमिंग पूल. आई वाज लाइक मैं वापस अंदर नहीं जाऊंगा. ऐसा ना झगड़ा हुआ उधर. People thought this is the end of the marriage. Thankfully we are together after that swimming attempt. Now, why did I say this? Just to keep you all awake? Okay. But it is a true story. Okay. So, why did I say this? In any job, you will start with imperfection. Then we will gradually become expert at that. Pehla kela hoga. What do you think happened to me? My first program I started, one lady from Brahma Kumaris was sitting in front of me. She was telling him, Aham Brahmasmi. मैं बोला क्या बोला तू? And I'm the preacher, she is the student. And I'm thinking, then I went to senior devotee. I said, क्या क्या बोल रही है प्रभु जी? मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. And then what I had to do? I had to burn the midnight oil. I had to study. I had to take Srila Prabhupada's books seriously because that's the service I wanted to do for Prabhupada. And you know how I got in? I got in because of मर गया, वापस नाम भूल गया. जानवा प्रेमावती Mataji's spiritual master. His Holiness Jayapataka Maharaj Swami Maharaj. He and another senior Maharaj is there called Gopal Krishna Swami Maharaj. I don't know how many of you have heard of him. He's one of the senior most leaders. These two are the top leaders in ISKCON, right? Sannyasis, very exalted personalities, very pure souls, who have done so much for this institution, for the movement in the world. All Delhi temples, kitne temples are Delhi mein ISKCON? They are all projects of Gopal Krishna Swami Maharaj, right? And His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj has got the largest number of disciples in the world now. Okay, he is known as the king of Mayapur. When he comes here, you will see majestic personality, right? You will see his photo is here on the altar. First, second, third personality on the left hand side. Okay. So I was also sitting like that. There is a Gana, no? मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेल पूरी खा रहा था. Okay. So I just went there to some program there. I was sitting along with all the seniors there. They put me, बोला तू भी आके बैठ इधर. कुछ संत आए हुए हैं, तो मैं भी जाके बैठ गया उधर. And then what happened? I'm talking about what? 2002, right? And then these two personalities had come and they said, nobody is doing home programs, Bhakti Vriksha in Toronto. Who will start? They looked at everyone. Any volunteers? Like that. Now in your office, just imagine, your CEO is sitting and he's saying, we want to start a branch in Hastings. What will happen? अंदर डर भी लग रहा है, हाथ उठाऊं या नहीं उठाएगा तो गया. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई गो टू हिम फॉर प्रमोशन, ही सेड यू रिफ्यूज टू टेक लीडरशिप रोल. याद रखेगा वो हमेशा. तो क्या हुआ उधर, ऐसा सबका देखा. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? आई वाज द न्यू किड इन द ब्लॉक एंड आई डिडंट नो. मैं ऐसा किया, मैं बोला चल ठीक है करके. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट आई वाज गेटिंग इनटू. मैं इंप्रेशन मारने के लिए हाथ उठा दिया उधर, बिकॉज एवरीवन विल से गुड ना. तो मैंने मार दिया, हाथ ऊपर उठा दिया. And Maharaj called me and Jayapataka Maharaj has this stick in his hand, Jagannath toothbrush, Puri Jagannath ka toothbrush with Jagannath ji brushes, kept it on my head and said, yes, Tathastu, go ahead and may you become a preacher. Oh, हो गया उस दिन की बात. हो गया, ऐसे हो गया. Why? Now I'll tell you something. The blessings of a very exalted personality is accompanied by capability to execute that person's instructions. Please have full faith in whatever I'm saying. I didn't say this, Krishna said it. Right? मैं बोलेगा तो मत faith रखना. Prabhupada said it, Krishna said it. Along with the spiritual master's instructions comes the ability to execute that instruction. This is very important to understand. I have no idea. But only one thing was there. I will tell you also that seriously. Okay, I'm going to share with you something very personal. Last week somebody shared their dream with me. I'm not going to make it public, right? But I had a dream. I'm going to tell you only for this purpose. Otherwise, I will never told this. I will not tell this outside. Okay? After this personality came, I did not do anything. I just impressed the Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. मैंने कुछ शुरू नहीं किया उसके बाद. क्या फंडा था? कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे. एक दिन पूरा जब नॉलेज बुद्धा हो जाऊंगा तब शुरू करूंगा. When no answers to everything I will start. I did not do anything. Then His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj came to Toronto. He also called me. He said, they told me that you are going to start a program. Why have you not started? When will you start? I will do. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? क्या किया मैंने? Like a good boy, I started. True or false? No. मैं भी लातों का भूत था. I did not. क्या मन ने क्या बोला? What did my mind tell? बाद में करते हैं, अभी नहीं. And ये मन भी बहुत चालू चीज है. Okay, this मन, it doesn't want you to do. क्या डर है अंदर? Banana Republic. You know what Banana Republic? केला हो जाएगा. Correct? These are all Bombay language, by the way, if you don't know. Okay? केला हो जाएगा. Right? So therefore, I had this fear of protecting my false ego so that I look intelligent in front of everyone. That is why I was not doing, not because I am humble. But externally ऐसा बोल नहीं सकते ना डिवोटीज को कि मेरा केला हो जाएगा, डर लगता है मेरे को, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Externally क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? प्रभु जी, आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड. प्रभु जी, आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड. प्रभु जी, आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड. प्रभु जी, तुम अगर इतना हम्बल है तो बाकी जगह में भी दिखा ना तेरा ह्यूमिलिटी. ओनली रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तभी क्यों ह्यूमिलिटी बता रहा है? इफ यू आर सो हम्बल, शो इट इन एवरी अदर एस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो. ओनली व्हेन यू आर गिविंग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सडनली व्हाई यू आर बिकमिंग अनक्वालिफाइड. सो देयरफॉर वन ऑफ द सीनियर डिवोटीज टोल्ड मी, ये सब नौटंकी बंद कर, करने वाले नहीं करने वाले, मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी, Prabhupada said that we have to become qualified. Qualification is not going to come from outside somewhere. How will you get qualified in anything? You take up the role. Office में बोला है, I want you to step up to become the next president of ANZ Bank. Will you go and tell your boss, I am not qualified? Will anyone tell like that in office? मजा आएगा ना, पेड़ा बांटेगा ही नहीं और फेसबुक में डालेगा. 5 मिनट के बाद फेसबुक में होगा, लिंक्डइन भी बदल जाएगा, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ANZ बैंक. तभी कहाँ से एबिलिटी आता है उसके बाद? ये भक्ति में ही क्यों आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड, आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइड? ऑफिस में तो बोलते नहीं हो ऐसा. करेक्ट? सो देयरफॉर आई वाज गिवन दिस एडवाइस. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन. ओके, उसके बाद देना है प्रीचर. ठीक है. सो ऑल ऑफ अस आर राजूस. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ऑल ऑफ अस आर राजू. ऑल ऑफ अस हैव टू बिकम gentlemen. How will we become gentlemen? By taking up service, even at the cost of high level of discomfort. And the first program I told you this, Brahma Kumari ladies come and tell me, आप ब्रह्मास्मि यहाँ वहाँ से कोट कर रही है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं. मैं बोला किधर डूब के मर जाऊँ. No, I felt like, what do you say? You felt like digging a hole in the ground and going inside and not coming out for a few days, no? Because of embarrassment. Correct? But I had to go through it. And then what happened? I started something, and then what happened? We used to do pot washing in the temple. तो मैं वाइफ सबको पकड़ के लेके आई, because none of them were chanting, doing nothing. सबको पकड़ के बोला चलो, my husband is starting program, आ जाओ. तो सबके सब आ गए. अच्छा, आप प्रोग्राम आप ही करते हो? मैं बोला हाँ. ऑफिस में बोलते हैं ना, do you have data analyst experience? Yeah. How many years? 5 years. झूठ. Full CV, Chat GPT has written the CV. Correct? मैं भी झूठ बोला. या मैं हस्बैंड हूँ. अभी क्या करेगा? नहीं तो आएगा ना लोग. मैं नया हूँ, आप लोग आओगे क्या? मैं भी कल ही पढ़ने शुरू किया. कौन आएगा प्रोग्राम में? कोई नहीं आएगा. करेक्ट और नो? सो देयरफॉर व्हाट हैपेंड? माय वाइफ से नहीं, वो पढ़ रहे हैं, वो बहुत पढ़ते हैं, वो बुक्स पढ़ते हैं. एंड आई वाज डूइंग, बुक पढ़ना शुरू किया था. नरोगा कुंजरोगा किया. राइट? सो पीपल केम एंड देन मेरा घर में वो सब बैठे हैं पीपल, एंड देन दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस. सो व्हाट डू आई डू? क्या करो? 2 सवाल का जवाब दिया तो ऐसा लगता है आई एम द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मैंने आंसर किया 2 लोगों का क्वेश्चन, राइट? और बाद में वो डरावना क्वेश्चन आएगा तो so yes, there were questions which initially I found it difficult to answer. Okay, but what happens? One thing that I was told, be honest. नहीं आते तो नहीं आते बोल. एंड बाद में किसको ऊपर छोड़ने का? कृष्णा. Leave it to Guru and Krishna. I don't know the answer, but I don't know ne. I will go back and give you the answer in the next class. People trust you more. People will trust you if you are not giving. उनका टोपी नहीं घुमा रहे हो. Right? नहीं आता बोलो. ठीक है. That's okay. All we are not Buddha, the enlightened one. There are questions which we may not be able to answer. But by being honest and working hard behind the scenes, studying the scriptures, developing the capability and competence, then what happens? If there are 100 incidents you have started with, what will happen? That will shrink down to 30, 20, 5, 1. Eventually, you will find that you are able to guide most people on most questions. लेकिन उसमें you have to give yourself time. Now, this is the thing what happened when COVID ended. So, we did Bhakti Vriksha training. We gave this message to several leaders. And then so many of them then said, ठीक है मैं भी उतरता हूँ. राजू उतर गया मैदान में, right? And I'm telling you, amazing this has been. So many people have come out of these programs. And the leader, whatever he would not study in the next 20 years, वो एक साल में पढ़ा. 20 साल में नहीं पढ़ता था नहीं तो. Because मालूम है अगला Friday to Friday प्रभु बनाना रिपब्लिक. Friday to Friday पढ़ के आना पड़ेगा मुझे. Because people will ask me all kinds of questions. If there is a paragraph, people will ask me, ये क्या है, वैसा क्यों नहीं, वैसा क्यों नहीं, right? And then I have to go through that grill. So if you are sitting in the hot seat, you will have to do that. But when you do that, what will happen? You will become a very powerful leader going forward, because you will be able to do this service. And this frontline preachers is what we don't have right now. There are people flocking to Swaminarayan temple, to Durga temple, to Shiva temple, to this temple, to that temple. All they go and do it, they are doing. They are all good people. They are all pious people going, but they don't have any direction. अगरबत्ती घुमाने के बाद क्या? After that, correct? दर्शन करने के बाद क्या? ओके ठीक है, थोड़ा कुछ सर्व किया, उधर सबको लड्डू दिया, फूल लेके आया घर में नारियल के साथ और केला का साथ. उसका बाद क्या? तुम्हारे हर एक what has been the change in your daily life? परिवर्तन क्या हुआ है आप में? What different are you doing consistently every day in and day out? That is the hallmark of someone who has been trained to be a devotee to someone who is sentimentally a devotee. Does it make sense to you? And this template Prabhupada has given all of us. Prabhupada ने दिया है ये template हमको. Please go ahead and win the world. Shila Prabhupada ki? Class is not over. Time क्या हुआ है? 8:30. Okay. So go ahead and support Guru Prabhu. I will request him to come for this program, so that all of you know him. He knows you. Go ahead and register yourself. Don't come under pressure. सोचना है सोचिए. Don't, because I just told this doesn't mean that अरे बच्चों को कौन संभालेगा. Don't leave your children and all and then run there. Family has to be taken care of. We understand that. I am also a family man. Family को भी संभालना. Make your time management in such a way that you are able to do that. If you otherwise you say not once every week नहीं, once in 2 weeks आऊँगी, लेकिन ये सेवा करूँगी, और सेंटर में नहीं आऊँगी, लेकिन घर से ये सेवा करके मैं भेज दूँगी. Like that. You can do so many things. Does that make sense? Okay. And obviously the ultimate service is what? Ultimately where we can reach? Go ahead and take responsibility for giving Krishna consciousness to 100 set of people. Your family should take care of 100. You should take care of 100. You will take care of 100. You will take care of 100. That's called as exponential growth, supported by your capable partners. Husband and wife, Grihastha Ashram. What is the perfection of Grihastha Ashram? Prabhupada said, what is the perfection of Grihastha Ashram? Not just being together in marriage for 50 years. Okay, if you marry 2 animals, they will also stay together. It is only human beings who separate, right? Staying together is very important, but that's not enough. It is said that husband and wife should cooperatively serve the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Krishna's mission. What is the Lord Krishna's mission? सबको apple बांटो. अच्छा. Yes, give fruits to everyone. Distribute the fruit of Krishna Bhakti to everyone, right? Has your life not changed at least marginally after coming to Bhakti? देख रहे हो ना आप लोग, क्यों बाकी लोगों को वंचित रखना है उस चीज से? Why not give them the best product which is available in the market? If you have something, compassion means what? If I have a cake and another lady does not have that cake, what do I give? दिखा दिखा के खाऊंगा क्या? Like that, नहीं? Correct, no? बचपन में करते थे ना हम लोग फ्रेंड्स के साथ. Then we mature, we come out of that, right? What do we do? ले लीजिए, आप भी खाइए, मैं भी खाता हूँ, देखो क्या मस्त है केक. So this product is so good What is the cake that we are talking about? The holy name. So go ahead and give the holy name to others. The other thing that Anirudh Prabhu and Achintya Mataji are very keen about, okay? One is spreading the movement, Bhakti Vrikshas. This is one thing which is which is their vision also. Other thing is book distribution and Harinam. Okay, book distribution. All of our Altona Bhakti Vriksha members, especially come this December. And last week, all of you participated last year. Remember, all of you distributed books. So I have asked Yamunulila to do some research and give me the numbers from our program. So I will update Anirudh Prabhu before he comes to this program about the fact that all of you have done book distribution. That is something which is very dear to him. Okay? He loves people who distribute Prabhupada's books. And not that he doesn't love others, but obviously, you will obviously appreciate someone who is working to the KPIs of Prabhupada. Correct? So book distribution. And another thing is what? Going for Harinam. Harinam, you know what is Harinam? Everyone knows what is Harinam? On the street. Harinam Sankirtan, going at least sometime. So he says at least once in 3 months. So all of us will try and do that. Once in 3 months we'll join some Harinam party somewhere. मजा आएगा. Harinam party में group पे साथ में जाएंगे. If required, wear your masks and your cap so that your boss doesn't see you. नहीं तो boss बोला क्या है तेरे को सैलरी नहीं दे रहे हम लोग ऐसा रास्ते में आ गया तो no. I remember I was damn scared of this Harinam. Harinam बोलता तो मैं भाग जाता था कि I remember, I'll tell you an incident. In 2001 my company sent me to Japan for some assignment with Toshiba Corporation. So I had gone there. So वहाँ पे I was new in Krishna Bhakti. So new means what? New means what? What is the sign of someone who is new in Krishna Bhakti? गोली देगा. बहुत गोली देता था. प्रभु जी मंदिर में क्यों नहीं आए कल? वाइफ बीमार थी. स्टैंडर्ड. तेरा वाइफ हमेशा है. कभी बोलता है वाइफ बीमार रहती है. बोलता है कुछ सेवा करना है तो हम लोग आए. नहीं आप लोग आइए मत. अभी ठीक हो गई है. नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे कोई बीमार पड़ेगी. तो स्टैंडर्ड डायलॉग. तो ये सब गोली मैंने भी पिलाया तो मुझे भी पता है कोई पिला रहा है तो ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन गोली. अनदर वन इज व्हाट? बाहर का मौसम बहुत खराब है. तो दे विल वो मराठी में विषय दीड शाना वो एक लेवल आगे था. बोला ओ माय गॉड ऑफिस नहीं गए. नहीं ऑफिस गया. प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए बारिश है बाहर. जहाँ पैसा का बात आता है थंडर स्टॉर्म क्या साइक्लोन सुनामी भी आया मैं जाऊंगा ऑफिस को. कौन पागल छोड़ेगा कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग. करेक्ट है कि नहीं? भक्ति वृक्षा में आने के लिए आई टू गिव हिम दिस गोली. अनेक गोली आफ्टर गोली. तो एक दिन डिवोटीज ने बोरिया बिस्तर बांध के मेरे घर पे आ गए. बोलते आप नहीं आ रहे पर बेचारे तकदीर के मारे हम ही आ जाते हैं आपके घर पे. सो दे यूज्ड टू कम ब्रिंग महाराज आल्सो एंड डू प्रोग्राम इन माय हाउस. एंड माय वाइफ वाज आग बबूला. क्या करते हैं शर्म नहीं आता है इन लोगों को. बिल बोला है आ जाते हैं. सेम पर्सन हु इज डेडिकेटेड हर लाइफ. This was her initial disaster. She will tell you stories. And she used to मेरा मतलब मैं तो गया बाद में. Moment door is shut, I am finished. Right? Just like some of your husbands must be finishing you. Correct. My wife used to finish me. So ये ऐसा होता था. And then what happened? Slowly I started going to the temple. मुझे भी शर्म है यार. इतना बुला रहे हैं घर में आके बैठ गया. अभी तो जाना पड़ेगा ना. इतना तो शर्म तो है थोड़ा बहुत. तो शर्म के मारे I used to go. And I used to go and they used to dance and all that. मैं भी observe किया. Then I will tell you what I did as a new devotee. मैंने suggestion दिया उन लोगों को. मैं बोला ऐसा नाचना नहीं चाहिए यार मंदिर में. मंदिर बोलो तो शांत होना चाहिए. वातावरण शांत हो मंदिर का. मैं हुआ ना. I am the what is that called? The conscience keeper of the world. Who knows what is right and advising everyone. So I went and advised them. What did they tell? Because they were mature devotees. Otherwise they would have told you, अबे चल निकल यहाँ से. बड़ा आया सजेशन देने वाला. मुझ भी नहीं निकले हैं तेरे भक्ति में. No, devotees will not talk like that. They said, oh very good Prabhuji, very good Prabhuji. Definitely, during japa time there is lot of silence in the temple. अभी जो कीर्तन चल रहा है प्रभु जी, so sorry प्रभु जी. क्यों मालूम है ना? क्योंकि someone stepped on my mother's toes और मेरे से देखा नहीं गया वो while dancing. मेरे माँ के टो पे someone did. Of course, when we dance, we should be careful not to dance wildly. But that doesn't mean dancing ही बंद कर दो. Kirtan is all about what? Dancing in front of the Lord, right? That is what is Kirtan, right? Kirtan नहीं तो कौन आएगा मंदिर में? Correct? So therefore, then I gave them suggestion, and then what happened? Then I started going regularly. I mean, regularly जाएगा तो you become dear ना to someone. Then this devotee was there. I still remember Sanjay Krishna Chandra Prabhu. Okay, he told me, Prabhuji, I'll come to your house tomorrow. तो मैं हरिनाम में जा रहा हूँ. Okay, and he came, and he was vice president of Bank of Tokyo. Okay, big position there. So he used to come to my house, and वो करताल वर्ताल लेके आए. कल ये करताल, एक करताल. And then he said that, Prabhuji, would you like to join me for this kirtan? So मैं वो टाइप था कि I had to read that book, how to say and what, no when you want to say yes. You know that book? But I have not read that book. मैं बोला आता हूँ ना प्रभु. अंदर में बोला मेरे को क्यों बुलाया तूने? बट बाहर बोल दिया हाँ आता हूँ ना प्रभु, चौकस. गुजराती में बोलते ना चौकस, आओ छे. हाँ बोल दिया अभी तो जाना पड़ेगा. नहीं घंटे पहुँच गए हो. कैसे पहुँचे? धोती होती पहन के, तिलक लगा के पहुँचे. मुझे बोला तू भी चल. तो मैं तो धोती पहनने को तो आता नहीं है, तो फिर भी मैं गया उनके साथ. देन आई थॉट सम बिग टीम इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. ओके, एंड आई कैन हाइड इन बिटवीन देम. देन आई सेड प्रभु जी कहाँ है सब लोग? ना हम लोग है ना दोनों. मैं बोला हाँ तुम. And then we went outside Kawasaki railway station in Tokyo. रेलवे स्टेशन के बाद मैं बोला प्रभु किधर ही खड़े रहेंगे. मैं बोला यार मेरा टीम मेंबर है यार. आई एम लीड टीम लीडर भाई. मेरा पूरा टीम मेरे को देखेगा. बोलता क्या हो गया जगन, यू रिजाइंड और व्हाट? आई अंडरस्टैंड मैनेजमेंट सैलरीज बेबी. क्यों मालूम है ना, हम लोग इधर वो कीर्तन शुरू किया नामा ओम विष्णुपदाय, and I didn't know what to do. I was just पूरा मैं ऐसा नीचे देख रहा हूँ, उधर देख रहा हूँ, उधर देख रहा हूँ. मेरे को लगता है ये बुरा भी नहीं मानेगा मेरे को, बेचारा अच्छा आदमी है, सही चीज कर रहा है, लेकिन मेरे साथ नहीं होता है यार. मेरा तो मैं तू मैनेजर हो ना, तू क्या कर रहा है मेरे साथ, right? I didn't know what to do. And then as if to add what is that salt to the wound, जापान में भिखारी कैसा रहता है मालूम है आपको? वो इंडिया वाला जैसे नहीं, अम्मा पैसा वाला नहीं होता है. कड़क ड्रेस में आता है एकदम भिखारी, कड़क एकदम ऐसा कुंफू वाला रहता है ना, ऐसा मास्टर टीच मी कुंफू वो वाला, वैसा टाइप का दिखता है वो. सो दैट फेलो केम विद कड़क ड्रेस लाइक दैट एंड ही स्टैंडिंग. मेरे को पता भी नहीं वो भिखारी है, उसके सामने मैं भिखारी लग रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ आवर अलाउंसेस, ऑनशोर अलाउंस ऑफ द कंपनी. That fellow was done in kadak dress में, and you know what he's doing? You know they will not ask bhik in Japan. Anyone been in Japan? Nobody, yeah? उसमें घंटी बजाते हैं वो लोग, टिंग टिंग. यो बिल, you know घंटी बजाते हैं, टिंग 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 मीन्स भिखारी है, और इधर थंचन थंचन चल रहा है. अभी क्या होगा यार? ये तो पूरा मतलब गया मैं तो काम से, किसी को मुंह दिखाने के लायक नहीं रखा. एंड स्लोली मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा खिसका, एंड आई एक्टेड एज इफ आई डोंट नो इट. मैं इधर देख रहा हूँ, आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग एज इफ मैं जानता हूँ इसको. So that was my first Harinam. Trust me, you will not be subject to that. ठीक है? I've given you an extreme situation now. Here you can comfortably, क्या है वो बोलते हैं ना, आगे आप चलिए ना, मैं पीछे पीछे आ रहा हूँ. You can do that, okay? आगे जाने दो महारथी लोगों को, पीछे भी लोग हैं, हम किधर रहेंगे? बीच में कोई देखेगा ही नहीं हमको. ठीक है? At least if anyone has this fear, मेरे को मालूम है ये होगा, ये सब मन के अंदर आएगा, आप लोग नहीं आओगे. If you will have this, it is natural to have this fear. I went through this. Stand in the center. Once you retire from corporate life, lead the Harinam. Client भी आएगा तो बोलेगा, हरे कृष्णा, come on, you also come on, आ जाओ भाई. Client को भी बोलो, नहीं, गोरा हो या काला, सब मरने वाले हैं एक दिन. उसको भी प्रसादम दे दो. Correct? So call everyone. So this is Harinam, and what is this? This is another thing which is very dear to who? Our temple president. When he comes here, he is going to be asking all of us. और उसमें हम लोग का अभी थोड़ा मार्क्स वीक है. बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कुछ तो शुरू तो किया है हम लोग ने. बट इवन इन वेस्टर्न सबर्ब्स, ओके, यू कैन टेक बुक्स एंड गिव इट टू योर नियर एंड डियर वंस. गिव प्रभुपाद्स बुक्स, ओके. to the near and dear one, for which you will have to have a set of books. Okay? क्या है? See, we are एटलीस्ट हम लोग $4,000 तो अर्न करते होंगे ना महीना. किसी के घर पे ऐसा ठन गोपाल नहीं है कि $4,000 नहीं आता है. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, वो $4,000 में से $100 तो निकालो. $100 for Krishna. Buy $100 books of Prabhupada every month and distribute that. Can we do this much? क्या हो जाएगा? गरीब हो जाएंगे कोई भी? माँ कसम बोलना. नहीं होगा ना, कोई भी गरीब नहीं होगा. नहीं होगा तो मेरे से ले लो $100. मैं देता हूँ. करेक्ट. $100 वी कैन गिव. चलो $100 नहीं, मन बोल रहे हैं 100 बहुत ज्यादा है यार. $50. ओके, $50 का बुक्स करो एवरी मंथ. लेकिन everyone must take books. Is it everyone okay with this? Somewhere our Altona Meadows Bhakti Vriksha should feature in the book distribution every month. In announcements in the temple, I want to hear names. ठीक है? कौस्तुभ प्रभु 25 book points. जय डम 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 मॉर्निंग में. ठीक है? We want to hear that. Correct or no? So we want to hear this, and Anirudh Prabhu loves this. When he sees that our program, we are creating future leaders here, and our people are Prabhupada's most dearest service of book distribution they are doing. Prabhupada said, please give my books to the world. They will save mankind at the darkest hour. Give these books. पता है बुक पढ़ के शायद वो बने ना बने, but I will tell you umpteen stories, not today, नहीं तो उसी में टाइम जाएगा. Umpteen stories of how people's lives have changed because of a book which they kept in the shelf and opened after 10 years and their life changed. ऐसा लोग हैं. You never know whose life you will change by giving a book. और book देने में you don't have to give big philosophy also. We will train you on book distribution. I will get the most trained, competent book distributor here to our program. And I will ask them to train all of us. ठीक है? And then you don't have to, I'm not saying you have to go to the street. Street में जाने में book distribution और एक केला है उधर. वो भी डर लगता है ना, कोई देखेगा क्या हो गया इसको, झोला लेके खड़ा है. करेक्ट. भीख मांग रहा है. करेक्ट. But I'll tell you, it's a very humbling service. I've done that for many years. My wife is even more experienced than me. But she used to pull me. मैं बोलता हूँ मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ. मैं नहीं आएगा. मैं आता हूँ ना. She knows what is happen. Correct? तो लेके मेरे को खींच के लेके जाते थे. And then I also started doing it. Okay? But I was more, मेरा बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करके I had a different model because मैं स्ट्रीट में इतना मेरे से नहीं होता है. ओके, बट व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज आई यूज्ड टू टेक सैटरडे स्लॉट्स ऑफ भगवद गीता क्लास इन द टेम्पल, एंड इन सैटरडे आई यूज्ड टू सिट विद अ होर्ड ऑफ बुक्स एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू गिव अ क्लास में सब लोग बुक लेके जाते थे. तो आई यूज्ड टू डू लाइक दैट, राइट? बट एक्चुअली इफ यू रियली वांट टू हम्बल योरसेल्फ, व्हाट हैपेंस, यू गो आउट ऑन द रोड. उसमें आप जो एक बुक देते हो ना, वो यहाँ के 50 बुक के जैसा है, बिकॉज देयर यू आर सरेंडरिंग योर फॉल्स ईगो. राइट? कृष्णा तेरे लिए कुछ भी चलेगा यार, मैं कुछ भी बंदर बनने को तैयार हूं तेरे लिए. व्हेन वी डू दैट, देन कृष्णा बंदर नहीं बनाते हैं. कृष्णा क्या करते हैं? ही लिफ्ट्स यू एंड मेक्स यू द मोस्ट स्कॉलरली पर्सन फ्रॉम देयर. राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ कृष्णा एक्ट्स ऑन अस. सो कृष्णा को आजमा के देखना पड़ेगा. जितना हम उन पे फेथ डाल के करेंगे उतना ही विल रेसिप्रोकेट विथ अस. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज either आई बिलीव इट और आई डोंट बिलीव इट. वो निर्णय आपके हाथ में. Correct? There are stories. We can bring those people. They will come. There are umpteen stories of this. Okay. So this is next. Third thing. I was talking about Rupa Goswami. He is one of the most prominent. He is the most prominent acharya or the spiritual master and disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Leading, most confidential associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Rupa Goswami has said that in devotional life, culture is very important. And you remember I gave an example of culture. क्या है? Culture means बड़ों का आशीर्वाद. Not that आप chant करते हैं. That's fanatic. Right? We don't want to become fanatics in ISKCON. Right? So we want to be normal human beings who are very grounded devotees. Right? That's what we want to become. Right? One more aspect of culture. Another aspect of culture. Culture में, for example, culture should also reflect in our attire. Does it make sense? Culture should also reflect in our attire. Okay. Just like when go to army में जाते हैं, आर्मी में सबको बोला, आर्मी वाला लोग ने बोला ये हम लोगों को क्यों यूनिफॉर्म, हमको भी फ्रीडम चाहिए. You're snatching away my freedom of wearing whatever I want. क्या argument है उसका? Correct. So the highest thing in life is always not about freedom to choose what I want. Sometimes, as ambassadors, we have to wear the uniform of who we really are. Who are we? Vaishnavas, Krishna's devotees. So we have to learn slowly to wear Vaishnava attire. सही बोल रहा हूँ गलत बोल रहा हूँ? कृष्णा का यूनिफॉर्म है भाई, कृष्णा का यूनिफॉर्म पहनने में क्यों झिझकने का? Which means what? All the Prabhujis coming to the Bhakti Vriksha program in dhoti and kurta, preferably. और नहीं आता है हम सिखाएंगे, मुझे भी सिखाया किसी ने. If I tell you the story of my first dhoti wearing, yeah. Okay. So first time होता ही है. What will happen? We will become dhoti conscious instead of Krishna conscious. पहला वो रहेगा, ये कोई wardrobe malfunction तो नहीं होगा. Okay. So, but you will get over it after some time. You will get over it. Okay. So we all have to learn that. Dhoti and kurta and tilak. We have given all of you templates. किसी के पास नहीं है template, हाथ उठाना. Next week मिल जाएगा. Anyone who doesn't have a tilak template with you? ये वाला. नहीं? Anyone who doesn't have Gopi Chandan in the house? You don't have? Okay. आपको हम देंगे. ठीक है? तिलक template चाहिए आप लगाओगे? Okay. Very good. So we'll give. So apply. Look like a devotee also. When you go with this and we go like that, I'm telling you, you make such an impact on people. Right? Of course. ये पहन के then we do talk some nonsense garbage. माँ बहन के किसी पे गाली दिया. Then you are doing just injustice to the uniform also. You better don't do that. But I'm assuming that we will not do that. Why will we do that? Correct? So now that time आ गया है अपने program में. If the first week I never told you all this. I'm telling you this after what? 2 years of the program. Right? मैं तो नहीं बोला मैं इतना time. Now is the time. And Mataji is wearing, you know, sarees and whatever. Right? So, or even here it's okay. Punjabi dress, but tilak होना चाहिए at least. Right? Preferably sarees and you know like that. You see the ambience. वो कैसा वो माहौल होगा. देखो आप. You'll realize it. Right? Automatically you will be empowered. People will come to you and say that आप क्या करते हो? And then they will want to. This is the cultural aspect of bhakti. So please pick this up. I am available for dhoti training. How many of you need? Okay. नहीं, don't get into ready-made dhoti. I will tell you the problem with ready-made dhoti. I'll tell you. अभी आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम. पहले तो ready-made धोती दिखता है. It's like saying wig लगाने के जैसा है वो. दिख जाता है लोगों को. बोलता है क्या wig पहना है क्या? उससे अच्छा तो टकलो बोलता था मुझे. Wig पहना बोला तो बहुत दर्द हुआ मुझे. Correct. Right? So therefore, no, I'll tell you where the problem will come with artificial dhoti. You can wear it at an emergency because when you get Brahman Diksha, no, you have to go into the altar for worshipping the deities. उस समय there should be no stitching on the dhoti. That's not allowed inside. Why so? बाद में देखेंगे, अभी नहीं. That's a different lesson altogether. When we do Vaishnava etiquettes, I will tell you that. Right? There तब problem होगा क्योंकि सीखा ही नहीं. Correct? Even for tilak, no, this template का problem नहीं है. Shastrically it's allowed. But if you put template, you will forget how to put it with the own hand. Okay? I am myself a culprit. मेरे को जब से वो template मिला है मेरा अभी टेढ़ा जाता है ऐसा. Otherwise initially I got used to it. First class लगाता था तिलक ऐसा करके फिर ऐसा. But जब से वो template आया वही लगा रहा हूँ. My wife refuses to use it. So right now उसका perfect होता है. और मेरा perfect इसलिए होता है मैं template लगा रहा हूँ. Now if you ask me to go back, now I am dependent on that. So wherever tomorrow Burijan Prabhu's yatra is there, no? Just now I was packing. I was telling him वो template निकाल के रखो अंदर. Whereas she doesn't require it. This is a bad habit which I. But of course, but अभी के लिए template use करो, कोई problem नहीं है. But also learn how to do that so that you can use. It's like cycle. पहला वो 2 extra पहिए होता है ना, उसके बगैर भी चलाना. ठीक है? कब पता नहीं वो पहिया वाला नहीं रहेगा तो साइड में फिर भी साइकिल चला सकते हो. So not to become dependent on that, but yeah. So these are things. Now, this week is Burijan Prabhu's retreat tomorrow. I'm sure many of us. How many of you are coming even for one day? Okay, nobody. You are coming? Very good. At least दिन में आइए. He is a very exalted personality. Either come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Come and take his association. Okay. He is one of the foremost servants of Srila Prabhupada. उन्होंने जितना किया है, he and Jagatarani Mataji, very difficult to do those kind of services. You know what is the greatest, why he is admired in ISKCON so much? Because they went with their children on the road in England without a house. बच्चों को रास्ते में लेके गए, डब्बे के अंदर रहे स्ट्रीट्स में. Why? Because Prabhupada told them, go and meet George Harrison of the Beatles. You will find Bhurijan Prabhu's name and Mataji's name in the Leelamrit, Prabhupada's life story. That exalted personality is there. George Harrison को पूरा ट्रूप में ये लोग भी थे उधर. And Bhurijan Prabhu has executed some very difficult missions for Prabhupada. I will talk about that later. But please come. Jagat Tarini Mataji, if you all know, do you all know this famous rock star called Mick Jagger? Have you heard of him? Rolling Stones, no?
Yes.
Yeah? Mick Jagger. He was one of the most popular sensations in the world of rock music at that time. Bhurijan Prabhu's wife, Jagat Tarini Mataji, her career was to become a Hollywood star. And she was part of Mick Jagger's troupe. Can you believe it? At what level these people were operating in the world? And she met Prabhupada. And Prabhupada told her, you have to marry. And they said that we didn't even see each other. He said, okay. That level of surrender, both of them. They got married in Grihastha Ashram and then serving Prabhupada's movement for so many years. Like that. Itna bada career chhod diya Mataji ne. And she has done and continues to do umpteen number of projects, great big projects for Srila Prabhupada. So these are great personalities. And you know what? Both of them have given me and my wife valuable tips on parenting. When Jagat Tarini Mataji speaks, you will realize, if you hear carefully what she speaks, one of the most intelligent speakers I have ever heard in my life. Every word she speaks is so measured. Kitna perfect समझ. और आप औरत हो ना, she knows the heart of a woman very well. Okay, you can take her guidance. She can be like a Guru Mata for all of you. Very gentle, very soft spoken, and very intelligently. Right? She will give you very good tips. When we were also wanting so many tips in our life around challenges that we are going, she suddenly with one sentence she gives you a clarity जो आपको 10 साल में नहीं मिला होगा. Because of realizations. Because serious bhakti करते हैं ना. So Krishna gives them the intelligence and purification to be able to be very effective even with 10 words. मुझे एक क्लास देना पड़े तो मुझे बोलना पड़ता है 1 घंटा के लिए. For them they will just tell you 2 lines and your life will change. ऐसा. This is called as what? Uttam Adhikari. Exalted personalities. And Bhurijan Prabhu is also like that. Bhurijan Prabhu is one of the most softest persons you will see in the planet. Very kind, very humble. Though इतना बड़ा stature है उनका, but he will speak to you like a child. He's got a very childlike personality towards you, right? बच्चे जैसा बात करेंगे मतलब आपके साथ. मतलब you will never feel that you are talking to someone. He'll not make you feel like that. He'll make you put you at ease. You can go and tell him anything you want, saying that Bhurijan Prabhu, I like to watch IPL. And he will say, okay, IPL, huh? Virat Kohli, something like that. He will put you at ease. He will not look at you. Not like that. Do you know what I mean? So these are the kind of people. So take advantage. ऐसे लोग will not be in the planet for too long. They are aged. Pure devotee का संगत ले लेना. उनका चरणों का धूल will change your life. Please do not take it lightly. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा इतना. Right? Please come for the retreat. Talk to somebody. At least if you are doing, talk to that number and say, can we come during the daytime? दिन में आ जाइए, शाम को आ जाइए लेकिन. Come sometime for the retreat. We are going for 2 days. We'll be staying overnight. We have done our bookings, accommodation, but come. Last time some of you came, right? And when you come here also carefully. ऐसा नहीं बैठे हुए हैं और किधर और ध्यान है. Then you will say that मैं जाके मेरा कुछ वैल्यू एड ही नहीं हुआ. अरे तुम सुना ही नहीं कुछ. सुनना तो पड़ेगा ना क्लास में जाके. स्कूल में जाके टीचर ने कोई बोला वो सुना ही नहीं. बाद में स्कूल को ही ब्लेम कर रहे हो कि वैल्यू एड नहीं हुआ. We have to sincerely hear and note down. Then you will really understand what they are talking. It takes time. It takes time, but give yourself that chance. प्रभु जी टाइम हो गया क्लास का?
9.
Exactly 9.
You can go.
It's exactly 9.
ना एक 5 मिनट
5 मिनट है. अरे वाह. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. So please come. So I want to summarize. I'll use the 5 minutes for summarizing. क्या discuss, and all of you summarize. क्या discuss किया हमने? What are the important carry home points from today's class? Take home points क्या याद है आपको? Okay, raise your hand if you want to say, so that everyone doesn't speak. Okay, Mataji, first chance आपको.
Distribute the books.
Distribute books. Participate in book distribution. How do we do that practically? कैसा करेंगे? वो भी मैंने बताया.
Every month.
Set aside what?
$100 या $50.
$100 set aside करो and मंदिर से बुक ले लो, अपना नाम पे डालिए. Put it in your own name. Don't put it in anyone's name. आप ही का नाम होगा उसमें. ठीक है? You do it. It's your credit. ठीक है? And then go and give it. And when you give it also, मुफ्त में दोगे सबको? Take some donation. मुफ्त में दिया हुआ चीज दुनिया में कोई नहीं अप्रिशिएट करता है. They will just simply keep it like that. $1 भी लोगे ना, बोलते हैं $1 दिया है. Especially if they are गुजराती. Correct or no? पार्थिव प्रभु is smiling. Okay. मेरा वाइफ छोड़ेगी नहीं. $1 दिया है, पढ़ बैठ गया. So what do we do? These books are not very expensive. When you go to people, take a bunch. कभी-कभी 3 बुक $10 का होता है set. So give them. Say that we are not selling these books because the printing cost and value तो बहुत आई है. Even cost भी हम लोग cover कर रहे हैं खाली. $10. Anybody can give. And their life will change. $10 नहीं तो वो जाके बीड़ी पिएगा बाहर जाके. और बीड़ी तो इधर मिलता नहीं है. Whatever. Correct. So yes, very good, Mataji. Distribute books and set aside regular income for that. Yes.
Participate in Windham Bell Temple.
Yes, participate in Windham Temple. First step क्या है? Action क्या है उसमें? ये तो प्लान है. Action क्या है? First step क्या? नहीं. First step who? Yeah, first step meet Guru Prabhu. Yeah, you told that. Ah, very good. Okay, 2 point. ये अभी भी नाराज है क्विज से. भक्ति वृक्षा क्विज में हारने का गम है आपको अभी भी. He is the leader of the pack. कीर्ति माता जी, you control him. जीतेगा भाई, एक दिन जीतेंगे हम लोग. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Okay. Mataji, they lost to Mataji in the Bhakti Vriksha quiz. That's why he's upset. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is the point next? Meet Guru Prabhu. Action. Practical action. And then volunteer for service. Talk to him. Discuss. Okay. You may not get your service in the first instance, but keep talking to him. ऐसा नहीं कि फर्स्ट मीटिंग में नहीं हुआ तो फिर बंद कर देने का. कीप टॉकिंग. योर सिंसियरिटी फॉर सर्विंग इज शोन इन योर रिपीटेडली गोइंग एंड आस्किंग फॉर इट इवन इफ इट डजंट कम ऑटोमेटिकली. ऐसा नहीं मैंने पूछा उन्होंने नहीं दिया मैं क्या करूं. वो तो कोई भी बोल सकता है. वो बोलने में क्या जाता है. दैट वी कैन टेल इट इन ऑफिस लाइफ ऑल्सो. हियर आवर सिंसियरिटी विल बी टू हम्बल आवरसेल्व्स एंड से प्लीज कैन यू गिव मी द सर्विस. बिकॉज कृष्णा सर्विस इज अ प्रिविलेज. It's a privilege. सबको नहीं मिलता है to serve the Lord in some capacity. So if you can become one of the consistent persons there. For example, I know Prabhuji you serve. I have seen you repeatedly at the temple on
Kailash Prabhuji is also.
Kailash Prabhuji is also there. You are there. Repeatedly serving. Consistently always see them. Saturday जब भी मैं ऊपर जाता हूँ they are serving. Right? So that is consistency. That's how we have to be. We have examples in our own program. Right? So take it out. Okay? और क्या डिस्कस किया हम लोगों ने?
Imbibe Vaishnav culture in attire as well.
Very good. Imbibe Vaishnav culture in attire. What are some examples of attire? वैष्णव तिलक. लेकिन मुझे तो आता नहीं लगाने के लिए हाथ से. टेम्पलेट है क्या? है? ओके. नहीं है तो व्हाट इज एक्शन आइटम ऑन यू? टेक इट फ्रॉम मी. आई एम रेस्पॉन्सिबल. मेरे को काम पे लगाओ. ठीक है. बोलो टेम्पलेट किधर लेके आया. लास्ट टाइम बड़ा बड़ा बात किया लेके ही नहीं आया टेम्पलेट तुम. ओके. कैच मी. पुट मी अंडर द फायर. आई विल हैव टू गिव टेम्पलेट्स टू यू. व्हाट एल्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अटायर? धोती. Not for Mataji's. You are telling Prabhuji to wear dhoti. Good trick. Okay. धोती for Prabhuji's. लेकिन मुझे तो धोती पहनना नहीं आता है. What's the action item you will do on that? Very good. How will you do it? नहीं request नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. But call me, order me to come. Okay. कब फ्री हो आप लोग? It can't be in the Bhakti Vriksha.
First we need to buy the dhoti.
Very good. ये बहुत practical आदमी है. First we need to buy the धोती. कहाँ से लेओगे धोती अभी? टेम्पल से. So next Saturday, अभी ये Saturday मंदिर में आओगे. Tomorrow if you are not coming for the retreat, come for the retreat. But whatever it is, मंदिर में retreat नहीं भी आ पाओगे तो मंदिर से एक धोती तो खरीदना कल. And one dhoti and one kurta you will buy. ठीक है? You can buy short kurtas. This is called as what? Short kurta. Long भी है, short भी है, जो आपका पसंद. But some people like short kurtas, right? So whatever you want to buy, okay? Some people like full hand kurta. Some people like half. I like half short. Some people like full and long. ठीक है? जो भी है आपका पसंद. But buy some kurta. ठीक है?
पजामा की कुर्ता पजामा
नहीं. नहीं तो people will say क्या पैजामा है यार. बेटर जैसे क्या धोती है यार. नहीं ठीक है, I was joking. No, pajama not acceptable. For pajama is not the highest form. Yeah.
धोती और पजामा. रेडीमेड धोती.
वो हिंदी में दूरदर्शन में एक ऐड आता था, पराग साड़ी, साड़ी में साड़ी. Can you remember that साड़ी? Most irritating ad. I never understood what do you mean by that. साड़ी में साड़ी, पराग साड़ी. ये धोती पे कुर्ता नहीं, क्या बोला? पैजामे पे कुर्ता. ठीक है करो, बिकॉज माल फंक्शन हुआ तो कुछ तो रहेगा. This is called as contingency. What is that called? Disaster recovery in IT. DR plan.
यहाँ पे प्रभु इंडिया में तो पता नहीं डॉग भी खींच जाए.
ऐसा नहीं होता है, कोई कुत्ते ने नहीं खींचा है. ओके. नहीं तो धर्मेंद्र का प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करो. व्हाट इज धर्मेंद्र सेड इन शोले? इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाच. कुत्ता है तो मत नाचना उधर, मंदिर के अंदर नाचो. Okay, fine. Anyway, that was on the lighter side. But I will call me after you buy kurta. Next week I will come. When do you want to come? Because I am on sick leave. मैं कभी भी आऊँगा दिन में. मेरे को बोलो मैं पहुँच जाऊँगा उधर. But all of you have to be in one place. Don't call me to 50 place. हाँ. पहला street number 1 में धोती training, street number 2. तब तक मेरा धोती निकल जाएगा. So call me in one place. You all will tell me what time? विंदम हरे कृष्णा टेम्पल नहीं, घर में करते हैं यार. क्यों करना है अकेला उधर सबके सामने? पहला बार धोती पहना, एवरीबडी विल वाचिंग यू. पहला बार धोती पहना, यू आप भी देखोगे. किसी को समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए. यू शुड वॉक लाइक माइकल जैक्सन स्टेज में, राइट? मतलब मैं तो पहनता हूँ कुर्ता, धोती मैं हमेशा पहनता हूँ. तुमको कैसा मालूम? नो, नोबडी शुड नो. ठीक है? यू विल वॉक लाइक किंग्स इनसाइड. तो साइलेंटली होना चाहिए. किधर करेंगे? बैक डोर एंट्री. किधर करेंगे? किधर करना है बोलो? आपके घर पे करेंगे. ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ अस विल मीट एट हिज हाउस. ओके, यू अरेंज वन डे, वी विल कम. Ensure you make nice prasadam on that day. No, I was just joking. Okay? Seriously, we'll come. We'll just come dhoti and then out. No prasadam under. Okay? All right. What else is there? What else did we discuss? Practical. क्या करेंगे हम लोग अभी? हाँ, माता जी लोग क्या करोगे आप लोग? साड़ी. पहला पंजाबी ड्रेस बोल रहे हैं. First preference is what? Then if not, then anything is okay. That my wife should. I should not actually talk about this, but still भी मैं request कर रहा हूँ आप सबसे. ठीक है, but tilak should be there. Okay, nicely. Okay, that is one. What else?
Participate in Harinam Kirtan.
Huh? Yes, Harinam Kirtan. So I will organize time. Okay. There is what's his name? Devnath Giridhari Prabhu. Correct, no? Yeah. So he is our Harinam leader. He is the best in Harinam. मतलब बहुत ही enthusiastic, very nice devotee. Okay. Harinam करते हैं, या तो उनके साथ जाएंगे हम लोग. और there are other Prabhava Prabhu also leads Harinam. So I'll find out somewhere. ये सब action items है. ये मेरे पे action item. And then we'll go on our first Harinam date. ठीक है? कहाँ रहोगे आप लोग? नहीं, मैं रहूँगा मिडल में. मैं मिडल में रहूँगा. ठीक है, I will support you in the middle. जाएंगे चलो बिंदास.
Friday they do it. Maybe one Friday you can plan and the whole Bhakti Vishwa and go on Harinam. They do it every Friday.
मेरे को क्यों आगे ढकल रहे हो आप?
आप प्रभु सब हो गया बीच में.
नहीं ठीक है, we'll organize. ठीक है? We'll go for Harinam. बंद करूँ क्लास? हाँ? 9 o'clock हो गया अभी हुआ? अच्छा.
पहले ही नहीं रहेगा संकीर्तन मूवमेंट में.
हाँ?
पहले ही नहीं रहेगा मूवमेंट.
पहले इनको डालेंगे आगे. Okay. ठीक है. So what else? Is there anything else we missed? Practical?
retreats.
एक चीज तो डिस्कस की थी आपने कि लीडरशिप है पर दिखानी नहीं ऐसे कि मैं लीडर हूँ, ये पोलाइटनेस मतलब विवेक और विनम्रता से दूसरों को गाइड
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एक चीज पूछा नहीं मैंने, एनीवन कमिंग फॉर दिस क्लास फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे?
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम
इसीलिए पूछा. आई कुडंट आस्क इट. ओके माता जी, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल. आपका शुभ नाम?
शेफाली.
शिफाली माता जी, हरे कृष्णा, वेलकम हर. फर्स्ट क्लास में आप नो. ओके, हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, हु टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम? प्रिया विशाखा माता जी. अच्छा, शी टोल्ड मी वन ऑफ हर. हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. दे आर वेरी डियर टू अस, वेरी वेरी क्लोज. कल वृंदा का बर्थडे, आपको पता है? यू नो वृंदा, प्रिया विशाखा माता जी की डॉटर. कल उसका 16th बर्थडे है, राइट? एनीवे, दे आर कमिंग टू द फार्म. वी विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग देयर. ओके, एवरीवन, ऑल डिवोटीज, नो, यू नो, ऑल ऑफ यू नो योगेश्वर गोविंद प्रभु ना, इधर आए थे ना क्लास में. ऑल ऑफ यू बिकेम हिज फैंस और नो? हाँ, फिर हिज वाइफ इज प्रिया विशाखा माता जी. शी इज हर, राइट? या, दे हैड कम हियर फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. थैंक यू, वेरी नाइस. कहाँ रहते हो आप?
मैं ट्रगनी नाम.
Tragina. So please come regularly. Okay?
Yeah.
And we will give you tilak template also.
Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Welcome. All right. Anyone else? First time? Nahi na? Ah.
Just one announcement. So Mansi is as a student.
Huh?
She's come as a student.
As a student visa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are looking for someone to help them out with commuting from her place to here, Bhakti Riksha.
Okay.
So today Kaustubh Prabhu had helped us out.
कौस्तुभ प्रभु की जय. अमृता माता जी की जय. Thank you very much for doing so. Who will? Which? But सबब किधर है वो तो पूछ लीजिए. If she says helping, what will you do? हाँ, Tragina हो जाएगा. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. हो गया आपका काम.
कहीं ना कहीं से व्यवस्था करी थी कान्हा जी ने.
मैंने 2 साल टोरंटो में गाड़ी नहीं लिया. मैं प्रीचिंग प्रोग्राम करता था, विदाउट कार. डिवोटीज कैंपिंग में प्रीचिंग प्रोग्राम करके आता था 2 साल. सो कहीं ना कहीं वो भी अरेंजमेंट हो गया मेरे लिए भी. होता है. एंड देन टुमारो जब आपकी गाड़ी होगी, यू हेल्प अदर डिवोटीज. दैट इज हाउ यू कैन थैंक ऑल द डिवोटीज हु आर हेल्पिंग यू टुडे. दैट्स हाउ वी रेसिप्रोकेट. वेरी गुड, नाइस. ओके, प्रसादम प्रेयर्स प्रभु. ओके, ही हैज बीन वेरी काइंड टू मी टुडे. आई गिव हिम अ बिग हैंड for your kindness. Okay. महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नमो ब्राह्मणे वैष्णवे स्वल्प पुण्यवतम राजन विश्वासो नैव जायते शरीर विद्याजाल जड़ेन्द्रियता है काल जीवे फैले विषय सागरे तारा मध्य जीवाति लोभो मय सुदुर्मति ताके जेता कठिन संसारे कृष्ण बड़ो दयो मोय कोरी बारे जीव जाय सब प्रसादन दिलो भाई से नामृत पाओ राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ प्रेमे दाखो श्री चैतन्य निताय जय निमाय जय निताय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. राधा वल्लभ महाप्रसादम की जय. श्री प्रभुपाद की जय. समवेत भक्तवृंद की जय.